I'm about to show you the easiest side hustle you can do if you have absolutely zero skills whatsoever. Step number one, you're gonna go to peopleperhour.com. You're gonna go over here and click on freelancer. The best part though, we're not actually gonna be doing any of the work. Next, it'll take you inside the site. You can see they have all these different categories of jobs, but I found the best to be writer. And you can see these people are willing to pay some serious cash money for a writing job. Next, you're gonna go to iWriter.com. And as you can see right here, for their premium service, you can get 1,000 words written for only 11 bucks. Next, you simply just want to go to peopleperhour.com and start sending off some of these proposals and simply charge them a little bit more than what you're paying for on iWriter.com. That's it for this one. If you want more free side hustle ideas just like this, make sure to tap the plus and leave a follow.